Sometimes if you are using wordpad application in your Windows computer, and if you want to okay, we are now in a wordpad page, and suppose if you want to close this currently running wordpad page using a keyboard shortcut, then there is a method. You can simply press two keys. This is the alt key and this is the F4 key in your keyboard, and if you press this alt key and the F4 key, these two keys at the same times, then you can close this wordpad page. You can close by pressing this alt key and this F4 key, these two keys at the same time. So if you are using Windows computer, you must press this alt key and F4 key at the same time for doing this. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.